Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find your charging history in the BP Fuel and Charge application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will see three lines. Press on it and here you should select the second option, which is charging history. And here in this page you will be able to find your charging history. Now I don't have anything here because I am a new user in this application and I didn't really use this app, so because of that the page is going to be empty for me. But if you're a regular user, you are going to be able to find here your charging history. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.